In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gohighlevel contracts on a funnel. We'll be doing this directly inside Gohighlevel, and the process is very straightforward once you know where each setting lives. The goal here is to create or open a funnel, place a form on the page, and then use that form area to connect your contract so it can be used inside the funnel experience. To get started, log into Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Sites. This is where Gohighlevel keeps your websites, funnels, and related page assets. After that, click on Funnels so you can access the funnel section specifically. From there, click on New Funnel. This will begin the setup process for a new funnel. When the options appear, choose Templates. Using a template is a quick way to get the structure in place, especially if you want to move faster and avoid building everything from scratch. Then click Continue to move to the template selection area. Now go ahead and choose a template that fits your use case. The exact design is up to you, but make sure you pick one that gives you enough space on the page for the forms section, since that's where the contract will be connected later. Once the template opens in the page builder, head to the top left and click the plus button. This is how you add new elements to the page. In the list of elements, look for form. This is the key part of the setup because the contract will be linked through the form component. After selecting form, move your cursor over the page and hover over the area where you want the form to appear. Take a second here to choose the placement carefully so the layout stays clean and easy for visitors to follow. Next, add the form onto the page. Once the form is placed, you'll be able to work with its settings and options. This is the point where the contract can be added. In other words, after the form is on the page, you can use that section to link the contract from there. If you want the best results, make sure the form is positioned in a clear, visible part of the funnel page so users naturally see it and complete the process without confusion. And before you finish, it's always a good idea to review the page layout to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. That's how you link Gohighlevel contracts on a funnel using a form inside the funnel builder.